everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Remember the pain of trying to capture every detail in meetings or lectures? What if your note taker was not only smart, but also incredibly versatile and practically invisible? This is the PLAUD NotePin, an AI-powered voice recorder designed to be worn in multiple ways, capturing everything hands-free. It doesn't just record, it uses powerful AI like ChatGPT 40 and Claude 3.5 to transcribe, summarize, label speakers, and even answer your questions about your recordings. Is this the ultimate wearable productivity tool? Let's unbox it, explore its unique wearing options, test the all-day recording, dive into the advanced AI, discuss the free starter plan, and see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's see what's inside. The NotePin itself has this distinct, compact pill shape. It feels light but solid. The real magic here is the versatility. They say buy one gets four because it comes with accessories for 4 different wearing modes. You get attachments to wear it as a pin on your lapel, a clip for pockets or collars, a lanyard to wear around your neck, and even a wristband. This means you can adapt it to almost any situation. Interviews, lectures, meetings, workshops, capturing audio completely hands-free depending on your outfit and needs. We also get the proprietary magnetic charging cable with its USB-C adapter. Setup is straightforward via the PLAUD app and Bluetooth. Pair the NotePin quickly and you're ready to go. The app is where recordings sync and where the AI magic happens. The big plus now is cross-platform sync. Your recordings and notes aren't just stuck on your phone, they sync to the PLAUD webform platform too. This means you can start reviewing a recording on your phone and pick it up right on your computer, or vice versa, which is super convenient for workflow. Recording on the NotePin is very simple. Just press and hold the button. Audio quality is crystal clear, especially when placed properly or worn without excessive noise interference. And check this out. It supports a newly updated all-day recording function, capable of handling continuous recordings up to 20 hours long, which matches its battery life. Combined with 64 gig of storage, enough for hundreds of hours, you can capture those marathon sessions without worry. Let's get into the AI. Sync your recording, hit transcribe, choose from 112 languages, and let the powerful AI engines, ChatGPT 40 or Claude 3.5 Sonnet, do the work. The accuracy is impressive. Crucially, PLAUD provides 300 minutes of free transcription per month with their starter plan. So you can try out these core features without an immediate commitment. They also have features like smart clipping that can automatically detect and offer to remove silent sections from your recordings, saving transcription time in minutes. Beyond transcription, the AI, again powered by ChatGPT 40 or Claude 3.5, generates summaries. You get over 20 professional templates, meeting notes, action items, Q&A analysis, and you even create custom templates. And for those long, all-day recordings, the Smart Overview feature is brilliant. Instead of transcribing the entire 20 hours, Overview lets you preview segments, see key points, and choose only the relevant parts for full transcription and summarization. This saves a ton of time and your precious transcription minutes. But the AI gets even smarter. The new speaker label features uses voice print recognition. Label a speaker like David once, and the AI will automatically identify and tag David's speech in future recordings within that transcript. Then there's Ask AI. This is like having a chat assistant for your recordings. You can ask questions about specific topics across all your notes. Summarize everything about Project X. Extract information. Create a to-do list from the meeting. And even ask general knowledge questions, as it can access the LLM's broader database. Other handy features include audio merge to combine multiple recordings into one, and that smart clipping we mentioned earlier to automatically remove silence. So who needs the NotePin? With its 4 wearing ways, it's perfect for anyone needing hands-free recording. Students, journalists, researchers, professionals, workshop facilitators. The all-day recording with Smart Overview is ideal for long events. And features like Ask AI and Speaker Label makes reviewing and extracting information incredibly efficient for anyone dealing with lots of spoken content. Let's summarize. Pros: Versatile for-wearing modes, which means hand-free. Accurate AI transcription and summarization, powered by ChatGPT 40 or Claude 3.5. Advanced AI features, speaker label, Ask AI overview. All-day recording capabilities, up to 20 hours. Cross-platform sync, app and web. Generous free starter plan, 300 minutes a month. Crystal clear audio, 64 gigs of storage. Cons: AI features require paid subscription after 3 minutes are used. Transcription accuracy still depends on audio quality. Summaries and overviews might still miss nuances. Reliance on app cloud ecosystem. Proprietary charging cable. The PLAUD NotePin isn't just a voice recorder. It's a wearable AI assistant. Its versatility in how you wear it, combined with powerful, genuinely useful AI features like speaker label, Ask AI, and smart overview for long recordings makes it incredibly compelling. While you do need to consider the subscription after the generous free starter minutes, the potential time saved and productivity gained could easily justify the cost for the right user. It really feels like a step into the future of note-taking. Want to explore the PLAUD NotePin further? Check out the link in the description for all the details, latest features, and pricing. Which features are you most excited about? The wearing options? Ask AI? Let me know below. If this video helped, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more cool tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.